lot. It's quite a lot of stuff. It's giving plumber. I've come to lay some pipe. Sorry. Oh yeah, I'm so cool and my muscles are out. I don't have any muscles. Boom, diesel t-shirt, ride through your village on a horse, ringing a bell because I'm back. Hey guys, welcome back. Or maybe actually I should be welcoming me back because let's address the elephant in the room. I did abandon you guys and I'm really sorry about that. Here, I'm hanging my head in shame. But after a banging season of Style by Smidge, I had to take a little bit of a break since you guys decided to sell out my entire shop and I was shipping packages for like 3 weeks. So thank you to everyone who bought a copy of the magazine. Now, today, let's cut to the chase. Half of this is charity shop stuff and the other half is free clothes from a clothing swap that me and my sister go to. Oh my god, it's been so long. We can do the pile up again. Who's excited? Yeah, Sainsbury's bag for life. It's quite a lot. It's quite a lot of stuff. Strap in, folks. Strap on. No, don't. Get a snack. Let's go. Oh, what's this? Smidge merch. What? Yes, I'm wearing the day t-shirt with my OC on it. Very cute. Very awesome. Anyway. Okay. Number one. Oh, I've dropped it. I have already worn this, I will say. The t-shirt that everyone on TikTok says makes me look like Tommy in it. Are you all insane? Have we lost the plot? You never seen a baseball t-shirt in your life? Sorry. What, we're like 5 minutes into the video and we're already being rage baited? I'm really sorry. Second apology of the video. It's a really cute t-shirt. It's casual. It's cozy. I was gonna put like something on the front of it. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is for a bundle. Very cute skirt. I'm also thinking of maybe instead of doing just style bundles where I like fully style you, I might put together outfits already and then you can buy prepaid outfits. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. Because right now, basically, you give me your sizes and you pick a style and I put stuff together based on your preferences. But sometimes people don't really know and they might just want to buy an outfit I've already put together. So leave a comment. This skirt's really cute. It's kind of giving like art teacher a little bit. In some timeline, I might be wearing this, but right now, no. Oh, it's really good quality. This is definitely why I got it. This is a plain Timberland t-shirt. I think I want to put something on the front. I do a one-of-a-kind collection every year. Print on it maybe. Patchwork, not sure. Next. This is for bundles, definitely. My edgy people out there. This has barbed wire on it. Ooh, wow, I'm so hardcore. No, but it's very cute. Great layering piece too. Sorry if it feels like I'm speeding through it. I'm just so aware of how much stuff I have and I don't want you to be sitting here forever. You've only got, what, like 8 bites left of your food that you're definitely eating while you're watching this? Got these pair of shorts which don't fit me, so I'm probably gonna upcycle them somehow. They're so tiny. I don't know why I thought they would fit me, but very cute orange. I'm thinking some like yellow stars on this would be so cute, like on here, and maybe like a spiral on the back. Adorbs. But selling a pair of shorts during autumn is kind of stupid. Actually, no. Those with red tights. Maybe I'm keeping them. Maybe I'll make it work. Wait, I'm imagining like an Apple outfit. Wait, those shorts with my Apple jumper that I made, green tights or red tights, leg warmers, boots, a hat. Do you see the vision? Oh, I'm seeing the vision. Wow, yeah. Okay, this I was kind of bummed about because it's so sick, but it just doesn't fit me. It's too big for me, and you know, in another world, I'm 7 foot tall and I'm a big, I don't know, hunk. But it's this really cool like vest. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like cool, I go to festivals and I sell kit at Reading vibe. It's giving fisherman on me. But like, I feel like with some kind of customization, it could look cool, but unfortunately, it's just too boxy. Got these 4 bundles. Some person's gonna get some really cool sunglasses. Oh yeah, I got this cool chain situation. Okay, these shorts, I've actually already worn them today. I can't believe I lived in a world without them. It's giving plumber. I've come to fix your kitchen. I've come to lay some pipe. Sorry, it's just a pair of cargo shorts and I like them. Yeah, I wear them a lot already. They're gonna go back down my short hole. As a hole I put my shorts in. Anyway, this hoodie, oh my god, this hoodie is so sick. And also I realized I have a plain blue one, this exact same shade, which is why I must like this one so much. But boom, it's actually got green on it too. Really enjoying really bold colors lately. I can't wait to wear this. I'm excited for it to get colder because I'm sick and tired of wearing t-shirts everywhere. I would like to wear a hoodie, please. Weather, I can see the leaves changing. Can you make it a little bit colder, but not too much, because I can't afford heating yet. Not sure if this was in my last charity shop haul. If it wasn't, it needs its time to shine, and if it was, I'm mentioning it again because this is my favorite lesbian t-shirt. It makes me feel so cool and like, wow, I'm like against the bar, and you see me across the bar, and I'm really cool. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm so cool and my muscles are out. I don't have any muscles. My muscles are out and like I've got a carabiner on my jeans and I'm sipping a beer. It's a vodka cranberry. Do you know what I mean? It's like, I feel very cool in this. Continuing. This is the last charity shop item and then we'll go through the clothing swap items. Boom. Diesel t-shirt. Oh yeah, it's really cool. I'm gonna say it before you do because I know you're thinking it, but it does remind me of Billy merch. The blue as well, but also the text. So I'm gonna like crop it, I think. Kind of cool. I will say though, looking at this t-shirt drunk does make me feel like I'm like, whoa, tripping. Do you know what I mean? Does looking at this hurt your eyes? Because it kind of hurts my eyes. It's like, whoa. We're on to the clothing swap bag now. So all of this is stuff that my sister actually picked out. So shout out. You can tell she knows me well from these first two. Okay, boom. It's a vest. I've been wearing it as a t-shirt though, like on its own. It's like, oh, I'm sporty. Oh, I'm a sporty lesbian. Sporty spice. Like, okay, it's cute. This next t-shirt is so me. It's like, wow, you really are my sister because you understand. If you're a long-term subscriber, by the way, subscribe, of this channel, you kind of might have picked up on my style of t-shirts that are like giving older brother in a Disney Channel show, long sleeve underneath, like maybe I skate, but I don't, or maybe I DJ, but in a way where I'm not actually DJing, but the person, you know, it's troublemaker, but like, I don't know, I'm like mysterious and cool. That kind of, like, okay, 2010's older brother, but like, why not? My friends say it makes my eyes pop, so yeah. Okay, next, this I'm pretty sure is just a plain white shirt, but it's good quality, and it's to DIY, it's to put stuff on. These awesome jeans, love. Might put some stars on them. This rugby top, oh my god. I want to cover this up and put something here, maybe a massive star, same color. This is awesome. I feel like it needs some kind of fabric softener though, because it feels like cardboard, and I definitely need to go in and spot clean the collar because someone actually wore this playing rugby, I think. There's like years of sweat stains on this. I need to be scrubbing at that. If that's gonna be mine, I'm not wearing it. And also, I can't sell you like years of ancient debris if I do decide to upcycle it and sell it. White skirt that has paint marks on it. So this person was like, yeah, boo, getting rid of this, and I will take it gladly, and I will put some patches over these paint marks and make it beautiful. Maybe just, okay, sorry about it. I'm gonna put stars on everything. Shoot me. These pair of jeans, oh my god, are they awesome. I am so tempted to turn them into like a really, really cute pair of shorts. The top is very, not to throw it around, but it's very like Y2K. But the rest of them are so cool. I'm pretty sure they're like bootleg because they're kind of wide at the end, but they go in at the knee a little bit. But look at this top. Maybe add some like extra studs here and like bleach across or something, like inspired by this kind of stuff. Imagine what I could do with that. Are you seeing the vision, guys? Do you know what I mean? Guys, we've reached the last piece. Why did I leave this till the last piece? Because it's actually boring. It's a plain t-shirt that I'm gonna put stuff on it or use just for the material because it's like this weird purpley gray. But yeah, bag is empty and now there's a pile of clothes on my floor. So subscribe to say thank you for making my room a mess. Anyway, that's everything. God, I blasted through that. I'm really good at this. Maybe we should, guys, I've been having a really good time. I think we should do this again sometime. Yeah, because I'm back. We're so back. Recording videos every Sunday, posting videos every Friday, live on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Yeah, get into it. And Get Ready With Me videos are back on TikTok, babe. Yeah, it's so serious. And I'm posting outfit pictures on Instagram now. Oh my god, what happened to Smidge? Smidge is back. Tell a friend. Ride through your village on a horse, ringing a bell because I'm back. Let's see if I still got it in me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did like the video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Comment down below if you've got any ideas of things you want me to try, DIYs you've seen, anything. Let me know and I'll get on it. Check out the shop, merch, style bundles. Bye. Bye.